So you're thinking about moving to Foley, Alabama. Well, today I am about to walk you through this 3-bedroom, 2-bath home on Bon Secour River, as you can see behind me. We're actually in Bon Secour, but it's such a tiny area. Most people don't know Bon Secour. So I just said Foley because it's a Bon Secour sits right in between Gulf Shores and Foley, and it's here on the Bon Secour River. It is a really cute area off County Road 10. I'm excited to see this house. I'm showing this property, so I figured while I was here, I'd let you guys come take a look. So come take a look with me. Hey guys, if this is your first time on the channel, be sure to hit the like button, subscribe button, and ring the little bell so you can be one of the first ones to learn everything there is to know about the current market conditions in Gulf Shores, Orange Beach, and Foley, and the surrounding areas. My name is Aileen Fountain, along with my partner Andy Hollis. And our entire team, we do these videos each and every week just to be informative, just to let you know what it's like to live here. So whether it's 9 days or 90 days from when you're thinking about making your move, give us a call, shoot us a text, email us, set up a Zoom. We'd love to meet with you face to face. We get calls, texts, and emails from people just like you every single day, and we absolutely love it. So as I mentioned, we're going to check this 3-bedroom, 2-bath home. It's like 1,740 square feet, built in 1987, but it's got a lot of nice updates done to it. Really nice property, and of course the selling feature is that it's on the river. It does, anytime you add water in a boat slip, it definitely affects your price. So, you know, this price is at $464,000, but this is, you get a lot for that. So come take a look. A 2-car garage back there. Really cute. This house looks like it's been well maintained. Metal roof. Nice open. Got a coat closet as you enter. And this property can be sold furnished. Got some more storage there. Here is the laundry room. Got some storage here. Put in some built-ins is what I would do. AC unit is 2020. It's in great shape. Hot water heater's in really good shape. Says 2019 on it. Guest bathroom down the hallway. I would probably want to replace that mirror, the cabinetry, and the vanity, but it's definitely not bad. And then nice tiled shower. Toilet looks new. It's very clean. Awesome big guest bedroom here. It looks like 2 queen beds. And then you got a normal standard closet there. But this is a really good sized bedroom. And this is going to be your primary, which is really spacious. That is definitely a king. Standard closet here. Opens up to the sunroom, which is definitely my favorite room so far. And the water, so pretty. Once again, I would update the vanities here in the bathroom. Stand-up tile shower. And you do have another closet back here, so it's really nice to have that extra storage. Looks like that panel would access the plumbing here. Definitely the hangout room. And then you've got a third bedroom for all you folks that work from home or would be working while at your second home. This would be my office because you'd have this view. All right, guys, that's going to just about do it for today's video walkthrough of this 3-bedroom, 2-bath, very cute home in Bon Secour, Alabama. Hope you enjoyed this tour. Wanted to give a shout out to the listing agent Ann Dorman with Mobile Bay Realty for letting us showcase this on our YouTube channel. And anyway, hope you enjoyed this video. And until next time, we hope to see you around town.